Alright. This is for Boone.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 6:15 a.m.
Of course, I'm like right on the edge of the polygon.
5:19 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located from Mchenry Park to Harvard and were moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail.
Really?
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations
really?
include
Really?
Rockford, Crystal Lake, Beloit, Mchenry, Woodstock, Loves Park, Mchenry Park, Roscoe, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, South Beloit, Brockton, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake Weir, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, Fox River Grove, Wonder Lake, Lakewood, and Pistakee Highlands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will...